Almost 2 years ago, I uploaded this 20-second YouTube CapCut tutorial video, and today it has nearly 300k views. And at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how much money I made from it. But first, let's watch it.
To start, add a new text layout and write only a dot in it. Then scale it like I did. Make sure it is in the middle of the screen. Then click on your video and add a keyframe by clicking on the diamond on your right. Move the video as the video flows. The keyframes will add themselves. Now delete the text layout. In the end, it should look something like this.
So why did I make this video? Before creating it, I searched YouTube to see what was already out there. I found a few tutorials on motion tracking in CapCut, but most of them were 5, 6 or even 7 minutes long. What caught my attention even more were comments. A lot of people were complaining that the videos took too long to get to the point. That's when I had an idea. What if I made the shortest ever tutorial that will actually help people and be straight to the point? The production process couldn't be simpler. I opened CapCut, turned on screen recording, and demonstrated motion tracking from start to finish. Back then I didn't want to record my face or my voice, so I used ElevenLabs for the voiceover. For the thumbnail I used Canva. And if you're wondering why there's a gorilla on it, that's because a gorilla was actually the avatar for my channel at the time. Now let's look about what happened next. Right now this video has 295k views, 1.8k watch time hours, and has got me 240 subscribers. In the real time, this video has got 705 views in the last 48 hours, and most of them came from the YouTube search. If we scroll a bit, we can see that the average view duration was 22 seconds, but the video was 21 seconds, so that comes to an average percentage viewed 106.9%. If we go to the reach, we can see that it has 1.9 million impressions. TTR was 12.4%, and most viewers found this video from YouTube search. And this video has got 2.6k likes and 127 comments. What's actually crazy about this is that this was my first sponsored video. It was sponsored by Wondershare Filmora. And if you look through comments, you'll see that many people appreciate how quickly it got straight to the answer. So, how much money I made? Zero. My channel is still not monetized, and I still don't have enough watch time hours to qualify for the YouTube partner program. So despite getting nearly 300k views on a single video, gaining subscribers, and helping thousands of people, it earned exactly $0. But honestly, this has become the most important video I've ever made, because it proves that simple idea, executed at the right time, can outperform videos that take hours or even days to make. If this video was helpful to you, watch this video if you wanna get started with video editing.